Good morning everyone. So today is Friday and today Mikkel's mom and stepdad are coming over. We are hosting a combination of Logan's 1-year-old birthday and a tradition that's kind of similar to Halloween without the creepy stuff. So yeah, the kids are very excited about that. It's a little bit past 8 o'clock in the morning. Liam is at public school and the girls are inside. I'm going to bake some stuff and yeah, clean and just get ready. It's such a nice day today. It's the second day of spring weather and I don't know if you can hear the birds. It's so lovely. We are so ready for spring here. You can see all the spring vibes here behind me. And yeah, yesterday we got some new chickens and they haven't laid eggs yet. But it's also kind of early in the season. Our old chickens, they just started laying eggs, a week ago or something like that. They have had a pause all winter. So yeah, eggs are a sign of spring. Well, I'll get inside and get started. So this is now the next day. We didn't do the 1-year-old birthday party and celebrations yesterday. Mikkel started feeling a little bit unwell, so we decided to postpone it. And yeah, then we just had a low-key visit and yeah, not anything big. And yeah, so today I've been doing some house chores. I have been sorting out all the socks. We have the bin of missing socks and I have sorted all those. And yeah, that's just the worst job ever. I think that I'll try to do it the next 4 Sundays and then I'll just throw the rest of them out. I have so many socks. Some of them have been there for years, I think. So it's time to go. And yeah, I'm also trying to organize Haley's room. It has just become totally out of hand and now I'm just outside with the animals. I am letting the horses out and yeah, check for eggs in the chicken coop and then the job inside continues. So let's see this girl. She had an eye infection 2 days ago and it seems like it just totally disappeared. Yeah. Mikkel rinsed her eye with some salt water and it actually worked. This is Theo. He never wants to get outside. Come on. He is an indoor horse. He likes eating hay and chilling. Yep. I am now in Haley's room. So I went ahead and picked up all the toys from the floor and yeah, just put it in there in the boxes. I don't know if I'm going to wash the floor today or if I'm going to do that tomorrow and also wiping down the surfaces. I think that's also going to be tomorrow. And then I'm going to change the beddings here. She has a bunk bed. And now I'll go ahead and look at the clothes that Mikkel found on the attic that is supposed to fit Logan now. So we'll see if that is too old or fits or it's going to be exciting. It is these boxes that we're going to open. They have been sitting there for about 12 years. 11, 12 years.
Be inside you, baby. See it? Open! Open up! Open up! Open up! Oh my god, this one's so cute for him. He will love this one so big.
It is now Sunday and I actually forgot to film anything today, even though I planned on doing it. But we spent most of the day outside enjoying the spring weather, and I also did some organizing in the bedroom. I'm not finished with that, and now I am making some dinner. We are going to have a family recipe. It's a kind of bolognese with some English sauce. And this is the clothes that I pulled out of the box. The clothes from Liam that I wanted to save for Logan. These are the two sizes that are too big yet, but I'm going to wash it now and put it away in his closet. And then I've already washed the clothes that he is going to fit now. And yeah, it wasn't much. Kind of 90% of it were like 30 years old from when I was a kid or a family member was a kid, but this is like 12 years old or something, so that can do. And yeah, also unloading and loading the dishwasher while cooking, multitasking. And these are panini bread. I pulled them out of the freezer. They are so good. They are homemade. And I think that the kids are going to have these for lunch tomorrow, so I'll just sit them here on the counter to defrost. Now I'm going to do a quick reset in here. This table is flipped over because Logan climbed up on top of it, so we just flipped it over. So yeah, stuff everywhere.
Looks at it, looks back at you, picks it up.
So now I'm done with this resetting. I'm doing this every day. This is not a deep cleaning, it's not an organizing, it's just resetting all the toys in the living room. Kind of. The surfaces everywhere in the living room and the kitchen. As you can see, there are way too many toys here. But the floor is clear and the counters are almost clear. I have some laundry that I'm not going to get done today. So now I think I'll cozy up by the fireplace and get some reading done. I have some studying to do still. I'm going to read about society's economics, so very exciting. And yeah, the kids are just playing.